thumbnail. I have to take a thumbnail. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Danielle, or if you have not been here before, like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. So today's video is going to be a what I got for Christmas haul. Very minimum. We're middle class. I live with my mom still. I work part-time. She works full-time. So it's not like a boasty thing at all, which I almost forgot something. So hold on, I need to go get it. All right, since this is the thing I forgot and it's the most expensive thing that I got, yeah, this is the Anker like laptop charger. It's pretty nice. It's a 165 watt charger. It does your phone, your laptop, because if I want to study, a lot of places don't have outlets anymore. So I asked for this. So this is nice. It has a retractable cord and it charges pretty quickly. I used my laptop charger to charge this and it got to 78% in like half an hour. So this is great for like when you're traveling, don't have outlets, things like that. It does have two cables, like two USB-C cables, and it has outputs of like a USB-A and another USB-C. So this is great. And then it has like, so you can charge basically 4 devices at the same time, which is great. So that's what I got, one thing. So my mom was like really nice doing that. Next two things are these little essential oils. This is the Study Buddy one. It's technically for children, but there's coconut, lemon, grapefruit, black pepper, Douglas fir, cedar wood, cypress wood, lime, and spearmint in here. So I'm just trying to like, because it smells really good actually, to focus. I'm trying to like pair essential oils with like environments and things, so like my brain knows to lock in and study basically. And then this little sample is the self-care one. I do not know the blend, but it smells really good, like very spearminty. So, and I also had a coupon for like 10% off, so once I use this one I can get another one. Oh, that's great. Next are these little paper clips. They have little hearts. They're really cute. I can undo one. So it's like a little pen holder paperclip with a heart. Just because I do planning, and a lot of the Hobonichi stuff, like I think my Hobonichi cousin doesn't have a pen holder. So that would be nice. And plus I don't do the tabs, so I thought these would be nice as well for like the monthly, daily, and weekly sections to like tab those out where I'm currently at, you know, in the planners. So except for the weeks does have ribbons. I wish the Hobonichi cousin did, but they don't. So that's the other items I got. And I'll link everything in the description box below if you're interested. Next are these Vans, which I always need shoes. These Vans Range 2.0. I have the cheaper versions for like 70 bucks that I've been wearing. I just have to remember that these are kind of suede on the top, so like when it rains and stuff, because I go and I work at a school, I have to wear the other ones because they've already been in the rain. Thank goodness that those have been already in the rain. So got these because these are like the orthopedic millennial you know, Vans basically. So I'm glad I got these because I'm always standing like every day at work, so I do need more support. So that is great. Next, I always do practical stuff too. So there's like fun stuff, practical stuff, like the shoes are practical because I'm always needing these. Next are bras. Like I'm not lying, because I always use these ones and then these get worn down and then I have to order new ones, and they always come in a multi-pack, and like 40 bucks for I think 5 or something, which it's usually not like that at the department stores anymore. So, and these are just like the bralettes basically with the pads. I like them, they're comfortable, and I bought them a whole bunch of times. It's like on my most frequently bought thing in Amazon. Next is a new Brixley bag because I have my tan one. It's very, very, very dirty, and I tried to spot clean. Doesn't really spot clean, which sucks. So I got a black one instead because I had one before and I don't know what happened to it. I might have accidentally donated it or something, but I got a black one for work and stuff, and just I always carry it around because it's perfect for like my wallet and stuff. So got that, so I'm happy about that. And then I got another multi-pack of leggings. I always wear these at work because you want to be comfortable when you're standing all day. So, because I basically just went through my list of frequently bought items, and I like just added that to my Amazon wish list. So thank you, Mom, for giving me more leggings, because now I have more of a variety to wear. So that's great. Oh, also, I got these Mr. Sketch, which goes along with my other gift, which I don't think I can be able to put in frame. But this is a giant thing of sticky notes, because come February and March, I'll be like studying for my finals. So that's why I got the Mr. Sketch and this asked for those, because one, if I'm studying, I never got these before as a kid. There's like things that I've wanted, you know, like the Smencils and stuff, like the pencils that smell, and these, and I never got them as a kid. So I was like, might as well ask for them, because if I'm going to be studying, and these are pretty bright colors, honestly, for the pack, I want to like be able to like associate the color with like the topic, right? So, and I have these to do that, because I always see all the like the law students using the big sticky notes or whatever for final studying to do like their summary pages, you know. So I have those, and then this is like the last item, which I'm wearing. Sleep Token little snuggie hoodie thing from Hot Topic. I think that's the last thing that I got. Yeah, because I asked for other stationery things, but my mom was like, you have enough pens. I'm like, I know. So that is it for my what I got for Christmas haul. Hope you guys liked it. Share with me in the comments down below if like what you got. Everything will be linked, or I'll try to link almost everything. As well as my other channels. I'm going to be trying to do, my mom's in a trip right now, so I was like, I'm going to take advantage of that and actually do some studying. So I'll probably be also doing some study vlogging as well, where eventually I'll be using these two things come finals. So go check that out down below. I also have a budgeting channel as well. Check that out. And oh, last thing, I don't know if I told you, I'm doing a giveaway of a makeup palette and Ipsy bag. Go check out the video, comment the thing that says to comment, and even though it's past Christmas, like, you can tell me what you got for Christmas then, and you'll be entered in to win. The next video I'm going to be doing for this channel is going to be the giveaway announcement plus something else, so go check that out, and like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Go check out my other channels, like and subscribe to those videos as well if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be probably my empties. Yeah, my empties. We're doing it. I'm like filming all day today, so see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.